In this part, we will talk about the ES6 classes. And first, we copy the code from the previous lecture, and this is the old way method. And now we are going to correct this one to a new way method. So we use the class and person, and we create a constructor. And we have the first name, last name, and also the DOB, the date of birth. And now we have the this dot first name is equal to first name, and this dot last name is equal to last name, and this dot DOB is equal to DOB. And now we are going to create the calculate age functions, the calculate age, and then we copy this and paste, and then we have the message, and we have return hello, I am this dot first name and this dot last name. Now we can delete this one, and then we can go to create an object. Alan is equal to new person Alan Smith, and the date of birth is November 13 and 1980. And now we can console .log Alan, and now we can see there's an object with date of birth, first name, and last name is Alan Smith. Now we can also using Alan.message, and it will return hello, I'm Alan Smith. And then we can also using calculate age. It said this.dob.getTime is not a function because we have to create a date object instead of just using the DOB. So now you get 39 years old. Now we can also create a new function called set new last name, and then this dot last name is equal to new last name, and then we set Alan dot set new last name as William, and then we try to console.log the Alan again. Now you see the object have the new last name of William.